Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 209 for the 5th of January 2026. Happy New Year to you all. I hope that you've all managed to enjoy a happy and healthy and prosperous festive period, and wish you the same for 2026 coming up. We've already started with a bit of a sort of lightning bolt or a few lightning bolts, etc. But more of that later. As always, you are always very welcome here, and questions and comments are always welcome. But just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you're looking for a bit of help and support in your own trading, the VTP Trader Accountability Group, the tag, will be restarting this week. First calls tomorrow evening. Opportunity if you want to make 2026 your best year. So ability to sort of be part of a group that will help you stay accountable, build discipline, and invariably work on improving your forums of trading. You can ping me if you're interested, or once again, that QR code there will help you. And this is SAAB. As said, we talked about defense companies, and most defense companies, have had a bit of a bump there. I talked about this about a month, 6 weeks ago, about how most of those defense companies, particularly European ones, but also US ones, had been in a fantastic run. This is the weekly chart, but they were running out of steam a little bit, and I was sort of kind of being a bit flippant, saying, well, something will have to happen to basically bump up those defense stocks. Okay, people won't want them drifting. And I'm the first to admit I had no idea that they would involve the kind of actions that the Americans took. But SAAB, well, certainly for the European defense companies, was up about over 6% this morning. You can see, it kind of come up the last couple of weeks of the year, and then we've effectively gapped up and run up there quite significantly. Okay, and that's probably an indication of people expecting to be trauma and war off the back of these events in Venezuela. Also, an effect that America is kind of shifting its attention to its own backyard, which means Europe has got to sort itself out, which means that European defence companies you would expect are going to benefit from European countries just basically looking to increase their defence spending. My own view is that I think that is probably wishful thinking. I think European defence or European governments will talk big about it, but actually do very little. They still have a mindset that they think America should pay and defend Europe, and I can understand why Trump is upset about that. I would be myself, but in the moment, we can see that we're actually on the opportunity to make a few quid there off running European defence companies like that.